3, 2, 1, go. Today I'm speedrunning the fastest time to repair a top screen on a new 3DS XL. I'm going to be trying to get an unofficial world record by trying to fix this the fastest. Also, to mention the rules, the timer started when I picked up the screwdriver and it will end if the console turns on. And comment below if you think I will succeed. Ready? Go! To 8 screws we need to unscrew. I'm doing it as fast as I can. They're giving me a hard time. This is not a good start for the run. So after removing this, I'm gonna remove the battery, but first I'm gonna remove these rubber covers so we can access the top shell a lot easier. Go fast, I'm against the time right now. Okay, I got the screw covers, now I need to unscrew the top shell. And I am removing the L and R plate. After unscrewing this plate, I need to remove all of these components to access the top shell. Go. Even if I damage one ribbon cable, this entire run is literally over. Go. Quickly. Power board is out. 6 screws. And joystick. This. Okay, I gotta do that first. Push. Okay, this is the part that's best. If I even scar one of these ribbon cables, this entire run is literally over. Now we gotta separate out these. Go. Now this is the hardest part of the run. I need to safely pass the cables through this small gap. Luckily I have a technique for this. Oh my god. My hands are literally shaking. Okay. This is the entire step that is going to determine if this run is gone or not. Do this in one try if I want to do it the fastest. I got it, and they're out. And put this over here. Now disconnect the speaker. Speaker's out, camera's out. Old screen gone. New screen. And now one risk I'm taking here is using these sharp edge tweezers. They provide an amazing grip, but wrong move, ribbon cable can get cut, which would mean the end of the speed run. Put that there. Align those. Get that. Put that. So Wi-Fi antenna goes in first. Boy, come on. I shouldn't have removed this. I should just pop it out. Oh no, I'm failing. This is not good. I lost a lot of time putting this in. Come on. Go. That on. Now, remember, camera on top, speaker in the middle, and top screen is on the bottom side. And roll these up. This is one of the hardest steps. So one small tear to any of these cables, this run is literally over. This is a very risky step. I'm using sharp edge tweezers to pull it out, but there we go. That's good. Wi-Fi antenna through. Now for the most annoying step, installing a new lens. I hate this part. Put this in. Gray one on the left side. Right side. Having trouble here. Okay, I got this ready. Gotta do this very fast. Got the blowy thing. Got it. I have to do is just reinstall everything. Go, 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 go. Now the trick I did here, I didn't actually remove the buttons, and this Wi-Fi antenna is annoying. Come on. That sounds so dirty. That. New bit. Okay, gotta use that. Gotta put in the hinge now. Got the hinge. Now what? Now what? Okay, motherboard goes in first. I'm just hoping I didn't forget something. I might have easily skipped over something. Always remember. Wi-Fi antenna needs to be placed. Okay, speaker goes in first. Oh my god, the tweezers I'm using is not meant to be used on these. I'm just gonna use this one. So if I even do a small little scar, it won't work. Okay, gotta risk it. Close. Now this step is very critical. You need to make sure that the ribbon cables are safely in there. Even a little bit, if it sticks out of the socket, it won't turn on. Okay, but now it is the time for the final stretch, attaching every component back. I think that's it. It's in now. Okay, I put in the motherboard, power board, and the LNR plate, screwed everything in as fast as I can, but just before closing it up, I want to finish up the top shell, and we are almost done, just a few more screws. Battery in. Last two screws. Okay, I'll turn it on. Okay, light. Come on. Any pop and turn off? Come on, turn on. And that's the run. 18 minutes and 30 seconds. We have successfully repaired. Whew, that was a fast one. Okay, kind of catching my breath. Whew, 18 minutes and 27 seconds. That's not bad, but it could be better. Now, put in the comments below if you want me to try like a new attempt or do it on another 3DS. And don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and follow me on Instagram, and you can DM me any repair questions you have. I had the opportunity of chatting with some of you after my last video and hearing your stories, and I'll see you in the next one.